Hi there, students. To retract, a verb. A retraction, the noun. Retractable, an adjective. And maybe you could have retractability as well. Okay, let's see. To retract is to pull something in. Yeah, to pull it back in. So for example, a cat has retractable claws that it can pull in or let out. When an aeroplane takes off, it's got its wheels out, and when it gets into the air, it retracts the wheels. They disappear inside. So to retract, to pull something back. And then we have to retract, as in to make a retraction. To take back a statement, to take back an offer, to admit that it wasn't true. Yeah, to withdraw a statement because you say it's untrue or unjustified. So he retracted the allegations that he had made. Yeah, he said, I withdraw them. I retract my statement because it's not true. It's not valid. So if you retract something you've said or you've written, you say that you didn't mean it. Yeah, you take it back, you disown it, you disavow it. Okay, so I retracted what I'd said about him because I saw it was really rather malicious. Yeah, and then to retract, as in a machine or a body, is to pull something in, to move inwards, to become shorter. Okay, so a retraction, to make a retraction. I said some very unfair things, and I wish I could have retracted them. I will try to do it later, but very often once something's said, it's very difficult to take it back. Yeah. He refused to retract his statement. Yeah, and if something's retractable, it goes back. For example, you know these leads that you can take a dog for a walk? It has a retractable leash. The leash goes into the handle, so it all just coils back inside. Yeah. So, for example, a snail can come out of its shell and then it can retract back into its shell. It can go back into it. Or maybe a snake, normally its fangs, its poison teeth are retracted, but it can bring them out to use them. Okay, so this is the idea of to retract. Then to retract a statement, yeah, to withdraw, to revoke, to disown, to reverse, yeah. He said he wasn't going to help us, but then he retracted, yeah. Okay, and this is the idea, to make a retraction. This is a very good verb, something that's retractable. For example, the sports field had a retractable roof, a roof that you could pull back. Yeah, so a part of a building or a machine that can be moved backwards, that can be moved out of the way. Okay, so to retract. Let's see. Okay, so yeah, to retract a comment, yeah, retractable claws, a retractable roof, retractable fangs, yeah. The company made an offer to buy the building, but later they retracted the offer, they took it back. Okay, so to retract. Formality. I think I'd probably give it a 6 in formality, maybe 6.5. It's a little on the formal side, particularly to retract a statement. But I think you can use both words, both meanings anywhere, in an informal conversation, semi-formal and even very formal writing as well. And then as to origin, okay, this comes from the Latin word retractus, from the verb retraho, yeah, meaning to pull back, to withdraw, to bring back. Yeah, again, and tracho, to pull, to drag, to withdraw. And probably this comes from Proto-Indo-European treg, to drag or to pull. Okay, so yeah, I think maybe in our lives there are many things we said that we wish we could retract, but very often once you've said something, well, you can publicly retract it, but the damage has already been done. So enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now. Retract, a retraction, retractable.